Hey YouTube buds. Well, let me give you a little update as to what we're doing this weekend and a couple of things we've gotten. So let me swing the camera around and we'll chat. We bought this little ice maker. It's one of the inexpensive ones that makes, I call it wet ice. It doesn't freeze probably down to much below about 28 degrees. But you just make the ice and then I just drop it down in the freezer over here. And it makes it solid. Anyway, that's one of our new toys. So, backing over to this area, as you can see, we've put the fiddles in for this guy. I'm going to go out of focus if I have my finger there. But yeah, we've got fiddles that we put in here. And we have this nice little Scotch decanter that First Mate bought. She's finished the cushions. We have to do something about the backs. We're still debating about that. I haven't screwed the fiddles down yet because I'm going to go ahead and countersink and put bungs in. But yeah, these backs here are on hinges, and they actually hinge down so that we can get to the storage behind. So that is just about finished. We're going to put some more fascias up here. Going to put a fascia here, and all this stuff's going to move and change. Now we found, because we are in kind of we've been having a kind of a quandary about the washing machine. I have to run about 35 feet of hose up here to put it up here. That wasn't going to be bad. I didn't mind that. That'd be kind of a pain, but that's not too bad. But what I have decided on now is I'm going to end up putting it back down under the rear stairs here. I started measuring this. Excuse the aft cabin here. This used to be the nicer part of the boat. Now it's in the most disarray. But yeah, I can put it right and nestle it tightly in here. Shoot straight into the engine room, into the water pump. So I can have it be just a short run of pipe. And all we have to do is just pull the back stairs off and, put our laundry in and load it and do it. That is going to be perfect. That is going to work out very nicely. We've got this roll of vinyl here. This is going to be what First Mate uses for her, uses for the cockpit cushions. Anyway, so there you have it. That's what we've done here thus far. What's cool is, because we were able to find African mahogany, we're matching this over here, and we're staining it with a stain that looks just like teak. So it is going to end up closely matching all the teak up here, which, by the way, we have to redo all that teak also. Anyway, that's just a brief update on where we are now. And it's actually watching a video from a wonderful couple, Project Atticus. They're one of the many, many, many thousands of sailing channels I subscribe to. But yeah, go over there and check those guys out. They're cooking. They're really cool. So guys, in case you hadn't noticed, the camera work isn't too hot in this video. I've got it pointed down most of the time, and that's because of this guy, this new gimbal that I got. Unfortunately, I hadn't had enough time with it before I started making these videos. I'm doing a lot better with it now, so future videos will be much, much better. What are you doing there, sweet thing?
Chopping ice.
Chopping ice for?
Chopper.
For what?
Margarita martinis. Margarita-tinis.
Margarita-tinis. I'm still getting used to this gimbal.
Let's see.
At the end of the day, we enjoyed sundowners and enjoyed each other's company on the bow of the boat.